check the calendar at some point today to remind yourself of exactly what time of the year it is. It is late October, but it isn't going to feel anything like it. We have got some warmth. We've got sunshine, our Keeneland live weather bug camera, as well as our view over towards Frankfort, the Capitol building. Our live weather bug camera up in Franklin County, looking good, and the Max Track agrees. All the active weather centered along and ahead of a warm front that has lifted north. So they've got, look at it, look how close it is. Showers and storms, Milwaukee, southern Wisconsin, and then snow across the upper Midwest, going through Minnesota back into the Dakotas. So it is full-on winter up there. But for us, we're high and dry, and we are in great shape. Notice the broad expanse of hardly anything going on. Lexington's in on it. There's all the active weather right along that boundary I was just telling you about. So we're in the south side, the warm side of this frontal system, and in that warm sector, we're going to take that crack at 80 degrees today. Time of the year we're usually in the mid-60s for highs. What is going to end it is this cold front that's sweeping in tomorrow. So by tomorrow afternoon, we've got you out into mid-afternoon Friday. Showers and thunder showers becoming more numerous. And then as the front tracks through, they'll pass through and be done more than likely by early Saturday morning. And you're going to feel it. The temperature's going to tank. We'll have lingering cloud cover through much of the day Saturday, especially south and east, and even some isolated showers hanging around. And on top of that, the temperature falls. You'll see how far we fall here in a second. Could pick up about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of rain with this next round coming through. So some beneficial rainfall for folks, and a lot of it will go through overnight into Saturday morning. So the timing is working in our favor as well. Just be nice if it wasn't on the weekend. It is already well above our average high. Remember, 66 is the average. We're in the low 70s. We got the rest of the afternoon to warm up. It's 75 in Danville. Check out Monticello, 77, 79, a degree shy of 80. Already in Bowling Green. So we've got this above normal warmth with that frontal boundary hung up along the southern Great Lakes. But watch what happens tomorrow. October starts to reassert itself as far as the colder air, and it does make a run at us by later in the weekend. And we're not even in the core of the coldest there. That stays locked up toward the U.S.-Canadian border. But we'll have a high of 80 today, around 80. Our record high is 85. It was set back in 1947. Tomorrow, still in the upper 70s, and then boom, we tank Saturday. We're going to drop about 20 degrees between Friday's high and Saturday's high, thanks to that cold front sweeping through. So that's your October reality check right there. From well above average to, well below it. We'll probably not get out of the 50s in numerous locations. And if you look at our average temperatures, by mid-September, upper 70s, that's about what we're going to do today. So it's feeling like mid-September. Then you hit the upper 50s. That's somewhere in the first week or two of November when we start to feel like that. So literally 1 month to the other, and neither of them are October. We'll be back to warmer temperatures by the end of the weekend, though. So around 80, a day to take advantage of. Partly to mostly sunny skies out there, and tonight should be fairly quiet. And tomorrow, cloud cover on the rise, and eventually we'll throw some of those scattered showers and storms into the mix, primarily Friday afternoon, overnight into Saturday morning. And you'd notice that up and down roller coaster ride that we're going to take from 80s to 50s to 70s to 60s back to the 50s. And we'll punctuate that with a round of showers and storms around Tuesday of next week. So quite a bit of active weather heading our way over the next 8 days.